isn't on Facebook? Am I right, ladies? I mean, I spend the better part of my day looking at Facebook and just hoping people will like my status. I just saw the newest remake movie. It was just like the original, but with hot people. Come on. Like my status. That's because Facebook likes are wonderful. They give you legitimacy. Facebook likes are like kittens, but better. So if you need some social currency in your business, check out askbic.com. They have a social sharing program called Social MC2 that helps you build your Facebook likes and email lists. Nice, right? So check it out. Unless you hate kittens and are a horrible person. This is my new kitty, Olive. Say hi, Olive. Hi. What are you doing over there? You want to get off my shoulder? You want to ow? Ow?